Steve Whetstone. Steve Whetstone. I discovered the Earth gets electro-terraformed every 12,000 years, with most surface life dying as a result of a solar micronova X-ray burst that sets fire to half the planet. I also promote a collection of behavioral economics technology solutions that are completely voluntary and highly profitable and solve global wicked problems such as poverty, politics, and extinction threats to humanity. Estimate 2048. Steve Whetstone is with Bernardo Becerra and 9 others. If their survival bunker entrances are not built to the standards in my head, they will not survive the expected flooding. Agrees with you about the government's poor design standards for the bunker doors and has a contest to ask for help with design of a suitable entrance door capable of surviving the hydraulic pressures. 17 comments. 1. Active. DerfNid. Have them send me contact information. 2. 1. Haha. 2 reply 3. 2h. Hide 15 replies. 1. Active. Steve Whetstone. DerfNid, wouldn't it be funny if all we had to do to get this info from the government is ask them to send us contact information? 2. 1. Like. 2 reply 3. 1h. 2. Active. Pat Horn. There will be no global flooding ever again. Not worldwide. Fire will be the next disaster to overcome. 1. 1. Like. 2 reply 3. 1h. 3. Active. DerfNid. There will be a series of catastrophes from fires to floods. Earthquakes, volcanoes. It's not just one catastrophe. 1. 1. Like. 2 reply 3. 1h. 4. Active. DerfNid. Steve Whetstone. Diebold is government? Nah. They not worthy. This wouldn't be for government, it's for the people. The government can drown for all I care. 1. Like. 2 reply 3. 1h. 5. Active. Steve Whetstone. Pat Horn. I'm suspicious of the flood possibility too. Wouldn't a flood like he described leave very easily identified large-scale erosion evidence in geology? He talks about erosion from the water returning to the ocean basins, but what about the erosion of the ocean floor when the water leaves the ocean basin? The erosion from the water leaving the ocean basin would be larger and stronger than the erosion from the water returning to the ocean basins slowly due to gravity-driven water flow. I suspect mud floods and mud and water and oil seeps up from the Earth's center when the crust gets fractured. During the catastrophe cycle, there's suspicious evidence hinting the very long-wave vibrations fracture the Earth's crust at the surface few kilometers and cause all the submerged oil and gas and water to have an escape path to the surface. All at once all the oil and water reservoirs underground get fractured and leak to the surface, causing global mud floods and fires from petroleum combustion on the surface. Also, if the Earth is changing rotational speed and or reversing, then it would be due to the Faraday disk, aka homopolar motor effect of the Earth being a rotating motor-magnet combo. So in the homopolar motor theory, the Earth spins because of electrons passing from North Pole to South Pole, which causes our magnetic poles, and the water will react to Lorentz force changes in the Earth's rotation most strongly. So I suggest the Earth would reverse direction by magnetic induction, turning the Earth according to the electromagnetic induction of the Earth's materials. Magnets will fly around faster than water and non-magnetized dirt will change speed least. Air will hyperrotate faster than the Earth's rotation speed or slower than the Earth's crust rotation speed to accommodate rotational equilibrium. MO2 a fake. I suspect more likely are large-scale electron pressure-driven supersonic cyclones in our future, like in this video. This URL. youtube.com. Blue Feather, the survivor's account of a cataclysmic North America, Cataclysm 16-3. Blue Feather, the survivor's account of a cataclysmic North America, Cataclysm 16-3. 1. Like. 2 reply 3. Remove preview 4. 1h. 6. Active. Steve Whetstone. DerfNid, you wrote Diebold is government? Nah. They not worthy. This wouldn't be for government, it's for the people. The government can drown for all I care. I expect the government feels the same about you. Diebold is a 501c nonprofit accepting donations and contributions and asking for your support. P.S. I'll suck gov dick for comfy survival shelter with all amenities. I'm not sure, I personally feel the same way as you about gov. I kind of like their survival shelters, and underground city tech is something I might be happy to share. If gov is gonna share tech to help us public build or own shelters or save ourselves, then I'm willing to give them a tribute post or good word and call it like I see it. The world will burn before the year 2048. So, there's no need to burn any bridges today, is there? 1. 1. Like. 2 reply 3. 1h. 7. Ryan Murphy. I heard last time the poles flipped. Polarity is the result of the story of Noah. Word has it this happens every 70k years and we are due for this cycle again soon. Have fun underground when this happens. 1. 1. Like. 2 reply 3. 1h. 4. Edited. 8. Active. DerfNid. It's not a matter of like. It's a matter of honor. Death before dishonor for me. Not to mention I won't fit in with those types. If it is full civilian, I'll work with them. But not any government agency. They cannot be trusted. 1. Haha. 2 reply 3. 1H. 9. Active. Steve Whetstone. Definite honor, right, I can understand that. It's not a matter of like. It's a matter of honor. Death before dishonor for me. Not to mention I won't fit in with those types. If it is full civilian, I'll work with them. But not any government agency. They cannot be trusted. Hashtag StrawHat4D King Pirate. This URL. YouTube.com. 1PSAMV2021 Wellerman. 1PSAMV2021 Wellerman. 1. Like. 2 reply 3. Remove preview 4. 50M. 10. Ryan DeCossi. Derfnid. There is no such thing as the private sector anymore. It's all systems of people that are assimilated but are on different teams. Playing for the same league. 1. Like. 2 reply 3. 40M. 11. Active. Steve Whetstone. Ryan Murphy you wrote. I heard last time the poles flipped. Polarity is the result of the story of Noah. Word has it this happens every 70k years and we are due for this cycle again soon. I think. Can you give me a link to that? I think I heard that too, but not sure. I heard the flood happened as recently as 6,000 years ago and called the Star Water event. It seems like I plagiarized that wrong too. Maybe this video explains it better? Says the Star Water Yuddha Pushna event was 6,000 years ago? PS excuse my typos and poor plagiarizing, I'm drunk, watch video. THX. Hashtag StrawHat4D King Pirate. This URL. YouTube.com. Cataclysm 13, the Pacific Ocean and the Cataclysm Expanded Earth. Cataclysm 13, the Pacific Ocean and the Cataclysm Expanded Earth. 1. Like. 2 reply 3. Remove preview 4. 36M. 12. Active. Derfnid. Steve Whetstone, you're a funny guy. Enjoy your drunk buddy. 1. Like. 2 reply 3. 33M. 13. Active. Steve Whetstone. Derfnid you're a funny guy. Enjoy your drunk buddy. 1. Like. 2 reply 3. 12M. 14. Steve Whetstone. Derfnid there will be a series of catastrophes from fires to floods. Earthquakes, volcanoes. It's not just one catastrophe. 0p25hr, this URL. Hashtag Pirate Trove Tribute Share Hashtag S4ECC 2048 Hashtag Bets4p2p Hashtag FMLS4p Hashtag GameB4 Proto Play Catalysy Hashtag HOEP Hard 3 Hashtag I feel like this sometimes. I find the theme very relatable. THX this URL. And 12,000 year cycle and solutions for Earth catastrophe cycle Hashtag S4ECC 2048 solutions for Earth catastrophe cycle. This URL. Video playlist worth watching. Tagged as hashtag solutions for Earth catastrophe cycle hashtag S4ECC 2048, hashtag suspicious zero servers hashtag Earth catastrophe cycle hashtag extinction level event hashtag solar micronova hashtag magnetic reversal hashtag complex extinction event hashtag declassified hashtag CIA hashtag hapgood hashtag Velikovsky hashtag electric universe archaeology hashtag plasma cosmology hashtag galactic current sheet hashtag electron proton ratios hashtag electron flood. This URL. 1. Unable to post comment. Try again. 15. Active. Steve Whetstone. There will be a series of catastrophes from fires to floods. Earthquakes, volcanoes. It's not just one catastrophe. This URL. YouTube.com. 12,000 year cycle. 12,000 year cycle. 1. Like. 2 reply 3. Remove preview 4. 1M. Active. Write a reply. 2. Active. Steve Whetstone. This URL. This URL. Solutions for Earth catastrophe cycle. Solutions for Earth catastrophe cycle. 1. Like. 2 reply 3. Remove preview 4. 29M5. Edited.
water pressure that we have to engineer for, and that's why we need additional engineers. I'm going to answer some questions on the door system, answering some questions on the location where to go to survive this thing, answering questions that I've gotten that was before, during, and after the reversal. I'm going to answer questions on the corporate structure and who to save. Answering questions on survival in a cave for an extended period of time, that was always fun. And some philosophical questions. There's going to be two major discoveries in this, or proofs of it, and which I think you'll enjoy. It has to do with the sun and the moon. Okay, if this is the first time you've seen one of my lectures, then I suggest you first go see part 1 on the basic philosophy. That's covered in this book. It was written in 2007. And the latest version, 2015, is called The Theory of Multidimensional Reality. It's the world's first information theory of existence.
Steve Whetstone, founder of the HOEP project. Very smart, no money, lots of solutions for solving world problems.